Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, you get the tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Now inside the car there's half leather interior, the touchscreen features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and also cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done under 9,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.